Today we are going to edit an asset. There are two ways to edit an asset. The first way, we are going to select List View and type in the name of the asset that we wish to edit and select either the asset name or the asset ID. From here, you will be brought to the Asset Detail page. Please scroll to the Edit button and select it. You will be brought to the asset's information. From here, you're able to edit the asset name, asset ID, description, make, model, serial number, and even the GPS tag that is assigned to the asset. You will also be able to add or delete any groups to this asset and change the asset type if desired. Once you have made all the desired changes, please select the Save button. The second way to edit an asset is please select Setup and Assets. From here, please type in the asset that you wish to edit and select either the asset name or the asset ID. You are now on the Asset Detail page. Please scroll over to the Edit button, and you are now on the asset's information. You are able to edit asset name, asset ID, asset description, make, model, serial number, and the GPS tag. You are also able to edit the groups and the asset type. Once you've made all the desired changes, please select the Save button. You have now successfully learned how to edit an asset in two separate ways. For any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@geoforce.com or call us at 972-546-3878.